Today you guys are going to work on communication. Please understand few basic things about communication. This is one of the thing which you do in your whole life but never get trained. Many things you do only little, few minutes, few hours in your life, you get trained for that. For example, eating. From the childhood, you get trained, and almost in India, each family, one person is wasted on it. Cooking. No, that is one of the biggest problem we have. We Indians need a separate person dedicated to keep that furnace alive continuously. Eating. Of course, seeing does not need any training. Listening does not need any training unless the spiritual listening. The simple listening does not need any training. Of course, the touch, you guys have too much training. Even though whole day is not spent in that, but too much training. But the speaking, even though your whole life is dependent on it, whether you make your life or break your life, it is all in your tongue. I can say this whole Sangha stands on the 2-inch tongue. Not only for me, for every one of you, whatever may be the profession you are in, whether you are a lawyer or engineer or doctor or a teacher or in a clerk or in a profession where you think you don't need to even open your mouth, you just need to put your head on the computer and work, even then your talking plays a major role about who you are going to become outside you and inside you. How many of you understand this one idea? I'll give you an example. Any of you think, no, in my lifestyle, my profession, talking is not at all a part? Can you raise your hand? So, see, all of you understand, such a vital part. Unfortunately, we never had a training. Maybe few of you would have had 1 or 2 corporate trainings where that fool himself will not know what is communication. How in India, one day, I saw a guy, even today one fellow came. He came and told, Swamiji, I found out a Brahma Ragasyam. It is in my cell phone, I want to show you in the Sarvadarshan. I told him, I found the Brahma Ragasyam, it is in my face, see. I didn't want to hurt him. I said, please tell my secretary, he only wants to know. So like this, many people come. One guy came to me and said, Swamiji, bless me for wealth. I said, Tathastu, I'll create the space for you. Suddenly after a month or maybe few months after that, he comes with so much of jewels and a car and he became rich. I asked him, what is the secret? How did you get? I know I have created a space, but how it has become reality, tell me. Means what method? It became reality. He said, Lakshmi Yantra, Swamiji. I said, who gave you that yantra? No, I started giving to others. I started giving to others. So, I'm not against them. But I tell you, just like in India, this is a kind of a lifestyle. In the West, this communication classes and management skills, self-development is a lifestyle. By teaching how to make money, this guy made money. It is like just like in India, every village will have 2 astrologer, 1 Vastu guy. That is the way that communication skill, self-development skill. Maybe in this kind of some of the programs you would have seen where you will not know the root definition of communication. Please understand, I am defining. Listen. Communication is ability to transmit the same visualization you carry into others' inner space and create the impact as you want. Understand? I am defining communication. This is the definition. Listen, later on you can do. Listen. Transmitting the same visualization which you hold in your inner space and create the impact you want. If you listen to the satsang or when I describe some stories, you will see literally you don't need to struggle to visualize. Whether the small dog was there in the scene or the pillar was there, I'll put the visualization. You just need to sit there. Transmitting that whole visualization. Before entering into the communication session, I wanted you to unclutch from the word unclutching. Listen. Now I wanted to tell you all one important thing. All these last few days your unclutching is not a complete unclutching. You are unclutching using the word unclutching. It means, Ramana Maharshi gives a beautiful example. When you burn a dead body, you use a stick to beat and push the body into that, unless you get a fire for somebody's cigarette, smoking. You are expected to put all parts of the body into that fire and burn. After you burn the body, that stick also will be thrown into the same fire and burnt. So this unclutching is the stick now you are using to burn all incompletions. Now you have to throw that unclutching also into that fire and be complete with it. That is why many times, even the moment you think of unclutching, you have incompletion, you will be failure, you can't do. Even the idea unclutching gets associated with your incompletions. How many of you have felt it? Oh, unclutching, oh, boring once more. No. Now we will have to complete even with that. Even that idea of unclutching, you have to unclutch without the word unclutching. Only then I can initiate you into communication. See, communication can happen from a space where even incompletion about unclutching doesn't exist. When you use a sword and fight, naturally the sword gets dirty by being bloody, by the touch of the blood. Same way, when you use the unclutching sword and complete many of your incompletions, that gets dirty. Even that has to be completed. Listen. Now listen to the instruction. Without even using the word unclutching. See, when you sit, some thought will come. You will say first, unclutch. Then 2 seconds maybe, there won't be any thought. Then again some other thought will come. Then again unclutch. Again some other incompletion will come. Again unclutch. After a few seconds, there will not be any incompletion other than this unclutch idea. Unclutch from that also. Means increasing the gap between one thought and the other thought. All of you understand? Please listen. Are you all listening? Listen, first, the word unclutch, unclutch. First you use the word, then just internal remembrance, then that's it. Just the mood unclutching. Understand? First you use the word unclutching to unclutch, then slowly, not even the word, just remembrance. Then just the mood unclutching. Again, if you are pulled out of your inner space and you go around in the incompletions, when you come back, unclutch. How many of you understand what I am saying? Unclutching using the word, then idea of unclutching, then just mood. Shall we start? Please sit straight, tie the ribbon. Please sit straight. Close your eyes, tie the ribbon. First, you can use the word unclutching. After a few minutes, the mood unclutching. Then, just be unclutched in the space of completion. Please tie the ribbon. Be unclutched. Incompletions are not agamya. I can say it's a mixture of prarabdha and sanjita causing its effect in ahamya. See, the source of incompletion is not agamya. Agamya means accumulated karma. Please listen. Prarabdha is brought karma, sanjita is your kind of a reserve karmas, like all karmas of your past, like reserve bank. And agamya is accumulated karma. So incompletion start from the brought and the reserve. That is the source of incompletion, which leads to more and more incompletion. So agamya is not actually the incompletion. Incompletion is, I can say, incompletion happens from the prarabdha and sanjita. All of you are understand. Let me give you the simple explanation. See, from the day one you happened, all the karmas you committed in through many janmas is called sanjita. Like a reserve of karmas. Then the karma you brought in this body to work it out, complete it. That's called prarabdha. And while you are working these karmas out, what you accumulate is ahamya. Ahamya. But unfortunately, your sanjita and prarabdha has incompletions. Agamya also incompletion starts. Alison, please will you hold regular divine conversations with me on the radio every 2-3 months? Yes. the time, I will not be able to say every 2-3 months. If you coordinate with Medamayi, I'll try to fit in whenever I can. Whenever I can, I'll fit in. I'll always be with you. Yes. Why is it important to complete with each and every incident and every single person? After finding out the pattern, it is connected incidents Can we not complete the pattern as a whole? Baladhara? No. See, when you remove the pattern as a whole, you complete with the space, but only when you complete with each person, you complete with the time. Whenever I do completion on an incident or a pattern, I feel like I am complete. But little later I feel maybe I have not done it properly. Again, same from Baladhara. It's a self-doubt, the pattern of self-doubt. You have to complete with the self-doubt. How do I know when completion is working well? Sri Nagesh, again, self-doubt. You have to complete with the self-doubt pattern. Nitya Ramani, how to remain in Chaitanya Jakrit consciousness all the time? Does this result in enlightenment? Be in the space of completion, that is the Chaitanya Jagrata, that is naturally that leads to enlightenment. Drora and Yoshalav, IA number 3 and 4. Yes, I attended, saw your letter, I'll attend to it. If you can get his photograph to the energization, I'll attend to him.